The question, how do guitar chords work? Chords are a combination of two, often three, or more notes having a certain relationship with each other. There are various families of chords. Chords belonging to the same family have same kind of relative relationship within their notes. Few such notable families are called major, minor, major fifth, major seventh, etc. To understand how chords are built, you need to first understand the notes. There are 7 basic distinct notes, mainly A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Most often they are represented as starting from C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Apart from these 7 notes, there are 5 other notes between some of these, making up for a uniform distribution of sounds on a mathematical scale. These are often referred to as sharps, hash, or flats. So the scale looks something like this: C, C sharp, D, D hash, E, F, F hash, G, G hash, A hash, B. The sequence C, D, E, F, G, A, B forms the C major scale. You may note that all the notes in C major scale are regular notes. This is not always true for any other major scale. But any major scale would follow the same relative sequence of notes. For X, D major scale would be D, E, F hash, G, A, B, C sharp. Now, any family of chord follows the same relative sequence of notes circularly. If we consider the major scale above, then any major chord can be constructed by choosing the first, third and fifth note of that major scale. With that argument, if we construct C major chord, we end up using the following notes: C, E, G first, third, fifth. Similarly, any minor chord can be constructed by choosing the first, minor of the third and fifth note. Now, what does minor of a third mean? It just means the note preceding that note in the complete 12-note sequence. So, in our case, E is the third for C major scale and the note preceding E in the 12-note sequence is D hash. So C minor chord comprises of the notes C, D hash, G. In a similar fashion, there is specific geometry of all chord families on the belt of 12-note sequence. An exact chord is named by appending the first note of the chord as its name, like C major or minor, above.